Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day in this one. Obviously, the huge gap up, and then after that, price pretty much just went sideways all day, and then almost a case of deja vu from last week. The last 30 minutes just totally, collapsed, and, the price looked very, very bearish. But like I said, we had that several times before last week. I mean, right here you can see last 30 minutes, collapse, only to see the price gap up again. So this is not really unknown territory. Like I said, we've had this occur several times before. So, now could this very well be the start of something, more bearish to the downside? Yeah, it absolutely could be. But like I said, I don't think it would surprise or shock anybody to see the bullishness just all of a sudden continue, because you don't want to base too much into just what happened in the last 30 minutes. But the one level that I'm very curious about, and then a lot of other people will be watching, is this previous breakout point down here at 298. And this is just, good old-fashioned, the basic rules of technical analysis, which state when levels of resistance are broken. So you can see right here was a previous area of resistance, but when they're broken, you want to see them act as support. And, at this point, it's looking like 298 could very well be tested. And if it does, that's what a lot of people are going to be watching, wondering, can this area hold? If it does not, then at that point, I mean, of course, no such thing as a guarantee, but it would be more than valid, more than rational to think that that could very well create more downside pressure. So 298 going to be, like I said, that level that a whole lot of people will be watching, and we'll see if the price can stay up above it or not. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, the level I'll be watching is that trend line. So putting that in place, very curious to see if the price can work its way up there and get the break of there. Then, that should be able to send it, create that much more upside momentum and upside pressure. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, the last 30 minutes makes things look pretty bad. But like I started the video off talking about, given we had last week and the same sort of thing play out, like I said, I wouldn't be shocked to see the price all of a sudden just snap back to the upside. But we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.